Today, I'm at Chicken Jip, the new Korean fried chicken spot in Madison, Alabama. I'm gonna look over their menu, see what I want to eat today. And while I'm doing that, I should tell you, this is not a paid partnership nor branded content. It's just me eating food. The first item I ordered are their spicy tenders. And from what I was told, unless you order the wings, all their other chicken is boneless. And then I also got an order of their spicy beef bulgogi fries. So spicy beef bulgogi fry. Those fries are nice and crispy. That beef is tender and full of flavor. One more bite, and then I'm gonna full on get into those spicy tenders. That beef is so good. I'm gonna get into a couple of these spicy tenders, and according to their menu, they're so good, they don't need no sauce. I'm gonna find out. They're seasoned, they're juicy, they're crispy. These are definitely flavorful and good on their own, but in my opinion, they need a little dip in sauce. I'm not sure what the sauce is or what it's called, but it's good. Good tenders. So all in all, Chicken Jip, your spicy beef bulgogi fries, those fries were crispy, seasoned, that beef, tender, flavorful. This was fantastic. Your spicy tenders come out hot, crispy, full of flavor. These were amazing. So at the end of the day, Chicken Jips, I enjoyed this experience, enjoyed the food I just ate, and I will definitely come back when I need my Korean fried chicken fix.